Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make our desktop look cool in 3 minutes. First you need to clean our desktop. To do this, right click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons. And now you just need to right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. And you just need to search, you just need to hide and turn off these options, widgets task view, and expand this taskbar behavior and set this to center and just to stuff here. Now check my video description for this link. Just click on it and it will be opens up. Select go to site option, and now you just need to click on the three dot and next to it and select download option. The same thing for this one, and the skins, same thing for it. It started downloading. Wait for it. It's downloaded, as you can see. And here we can see the three files we downloaded. Now you just need to double click on the transcoolant TB and install it. After installing it, select continue, and now click on the drop down in here and select TB and select desktop and select clear. Make sure it is. Now go to search menu, like click on start and search for store, and you click on open the Microsoft Store and search for lively wallpaper. Click on it. We just need to select the first one, 4.1 rating. Select the get option and install it. After getting installed done, you just need to open it. After opening this lively wallpaper, you just need to open up the file folder, and you just need to drag this mp4 file to this lively wallpaper, and select the OK option, and now it has been setted back in here. Now you just need to open up file folder, and you just need to double click on the skins, double click on the skin folder, double click on the rain meter and install it. Select the run option and select OK and install it. After getting installed done, select the finish option and just minimize this, right click on it and select unload skin. Do the same thing for here. Now we just need to go back to file folder and copy this geo and space x, copy this both folder and go to documents, and now we can able to see rain meter. Double click on the skin, paste in here. After pasting it, just to close stuff here and click on the system tray, and you can able to see the rain meter. Just right click on it and select manage and select the refresh all option, and now you just need to expand this geo and select the ini file and select load. Do the same thing for everything listed over here. After doing it, just minimize this. This is the settings to change the color. Just to closing it. This is the same settings. You can change it by preferences. And I'm closing this. Just drag these things to your preferences. I'm gonna have it in here, just like this. This is music, and this is the final look, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.